Hello there. We like to put a video on a lot of our products, even the very simple products, because it stops returns and makes people absolutely certain that they're buying the right thing. So this listing you're looking at is for 10 of these screw top bottle tops, typically used for, if you go to your local farm shop and you buy milk in a glass bottle with a screw top, then it doesn't really matter which farm you go to. Most of the farms nowadays that have the milk machines, and they sell bottles as well, most of them all use the same bottle. So it's this 1 litre bottle. These are from different parts of the country. This one's cow juice from Jeremy Clarkson's Diddley Squat in Oxfordshire. This is Gorse Farm from Farringdon in Oxfordshire. This is Titherington Milk Station from Frome in Somerset. All over the country you're going to find the same type of bottles in farm milk machines. Now what happens, of course, is these bottles are designed to be used again and again and again, and that's nice. You can use a glass bottle forever, can't you? What you can't use forever is the top. The tops get lost, or you put them in the dishwasher, eventually they go rusty, or you just lose them, and then you end up with a bunch of bottles with no tops. And if you go to a milk station, you'll know that these bottles can cost like £2.5, £3, or if you go to Clarkson's farm, they're about £6. And so the weak point in this, and this is one of these products that I actually go looking for something myself, and I say, why does nobody sell that? So we go out, find them, or we have them made or whatever, and we solve the problem. I've got a bunch of these bottles from my travels all over the UK, and I like to buy milk in glass bottles like many of us do, and I couldn't find the tops anywhere. And most of the places that sell the bottles don't tend to have the tops on their own. So we've solved that. The listing you're looking at is 10 of the screw tops for the standard 1 litre milk bottles. Now, it's probably obvious, but it needs to be said because we don't want returns. This type of milk bottle, no, they're not a screw top. That's the old type that you perhaps still get from your milkman, if you're lucky enough to have a milkman. But if you go to a milk station and you're buying 1 litre bottles like this with the screw top, they're not always silver, they can be black. Some of them are like gingham. The ones we have at the moment are silver. That's subject to change depending on our supply, the more we sell. But you've got 10 of them in this listing. You're not going to run out, and you'll get them with Royal Mail. Something I will add, just to be sure that you get it absolutely right, you know you're buying the right thing. Your standard 1 litre bottle is about 10 inches tall, and the top itself is a little under 2 inches, it's 5 centimetres. So you know you're getting the right thing. 10 inches, a little under 2 inches. Make sure you get the right one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.